What is nodes? Node in a cryptocurrency is a computer that helps maintain and verify a cryptocurrency's record of transactions. So, more nodes means increased security, greater decentralization, improve reliability. Improve reliability means when one node fails or power outage in the area, there are still nodes that will run for Pi Network or other cryptocurrencies. So I'm here now in Pi browser. Welcome to Pi browser. You click this, you go to piscan.io. Pi.scan. Oh, may space. Wait, remove the space. Enter. As you can see, go down here. You need full screen. You go to the nodes. As you can see, there are countries here: Japan, Ireland, Canada. And you go down, there's location, United States, and you drag to the right, you will see the companies: DigitalOcean, Amazon, AT&T. These are telecom companies. Amazon, digital companies. Amazon Amazon, Google, Alibaba, Google. So just check it out, guys. Not sure if it's legit, but it looks like it's legit.